Okay, so we encountered some problems. Okay, so I'm trying to do is, here's a simple technique. Select the items and then move them to the group. Move them to group. So this is part of the as-built pre-varnishing and varnishing. Okay, so it's gone because I moved it to a hidden group. So this, the main walls, which I think has doors. Good. Yeah, it has doors. This should be in its own group. So let's move to a group, then create a new group. As built civil works. As built um, civil works. Um, so there's two sets of information here: as built civil works and yeah, as built civil works and call this as built civil works and planned. So I'm trying to do is move everything as much as possible. What is this rectangle? What's it doing there? I assume it's spray top. If it's against the wall, it's part of the planned. Move to group, planned, pre-varnishing, varnishing. Okay, so slowly, um, there's another door, another door, another door. Let's move this to the civil works. Move to group. It doesn't show. Okay, let me remove that. Show the screen. Screen capture. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I guess this is better. You can tell I'm using Ubuntu. So yeah, so I'm selecting these: roof, body. I can't tell what that is. So I move it to, let's move it to civil work, as built civil works. So I guess as built civil works is still viewable. So I use spacebar to hide it. Okay, now slowly I'm hollowing out these non-group things. So there you notice there all the groups are here. So let's find out what this is. So Kiriarch fan. So let's find it out. What is it? If it's not anything, we'll remove it. Anyway, I have the original file, so we can just remove it. So it's not anything, so we'll use fit selection. It's not fitting anything. Delete. So naming is a big deal. So this, I moved this to the group. So I made a group for the reference images. Drawing images. Okay. Array sanding. So this is probably in the as built. Move to group. As built. Yeah, because that's not part. National University, someone's going to do that. I think they're having problems using this. So I don't know what this check mark means. I wonder if I can move this to a different file or just delete this. As built civil works. As built pre-varnishing. Okay, so top. Yeah, I'm using BIM. I was hoping to use drafting first. I don't know. I honestly don't know what should be using for this. Okay. Okay, let's save this and make another version. Save as, create another version, version 3, and then the version 3 planned only. Okay, let's save that. So let's delete this pre-varnishing and varnishing, sanding. Huh? Oh yeah, as built sanding. What does the check mean? As built sanding section. Let's delete this. What's this? Okay, let's, nothing. Okay, delete. Okay. Planned varnishing. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I guess this is the duct and the duct clone. This is the clone. Let's have that hidden. Okay. Let's have another version. Save as planned version gooseneck. Planned only gooseneck edited. So I forgot how to use TechDraw. I forgot how to do JavaScript. It's a lot of things I forgot to do. That's why I have tutorials for myself saved. Okay. Yeah. So duct riser. Duct. I don't think it's supposed to be here underneath the floor. Um, duct riser. Let's make it more clear. Rename fresh air. Duct. Fresh air duct. Gooseneck. Okay, let's um, transform this. Sorry, I thought it was gonna have Blender controls. Okay, if I remember right, this is the right way to do this. And yeah, let's go left. Then yeah, and okay, let's have the civil works visible. What happened to the main walls? What the hell? Okay. So because good thing we saved it. Let's close this. Discard. Open. Shoot. Open. Why did that happen? What happened? So it's a BIM thing? I have to do it all in BIM? Is it error because I wasn't using BIM? Let's look at planned pre-bar machine. Let's look at as-built civil works. Okay, the main wall seems to be working. What happened to the main walls of the other one? Is it linked? Possible, right? Let's see if it has any links. So view, data, okay, um, planned varnishing. Okay, file, save as. Let's make this 3. Save. This is called duct riser. I wanna rename it to fresh air duct. Okay, let's use transform. Where's transform? There it is. Oh yeah, left, left. Okay. Left. E. Okay. And then there. Should it be the same level? Okay, save. Okay. Roughly the same BIM drafting. Okay, what's this? I have to get rid of this clone duct. Not blower. Sige, let me okay, I'll just copy it. So work, varnishing, and yeah, let's put it here. Okay, I organized the file. Here's the files, the objects, so it's easier to delete the unnecessary ones. You can try deleting until fresh anymore. versions. I can any lost objects. So there, yeah, the problem solving I applied is simply that. Okay, let's look at it with the perspective view. Let's remove the roof. Yeah. How do you make it different objects have different color? FreeCAD objects have different color. Okay, okay, I have a better idea. This will help. Yeah. This thing is the hierarch duct. View. Let's have a minor different color. Let's make it bluish. Not green, yeah, tealish. And then this thing, the ducting. What's this? This is the fresh air duct. Let's make it a different color. Let's make it yellowish. And then yeah, sorry, let's save that since it doesn't yeah, work offline, more updated. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Does this look right? I colored the ducting so it's easier to see. Delete. Okay, so yeah. Romel, ano na lang, can you guys with Sir Ray for the final position of the what you call this, of the ductings of the gooseneck fresh air duct. And of course you guys can say where it will be since you will implement. Okay, yeah, I guess pretty much this. Then this is actually a green thing. it's not actually QER command, it's a blower. Blower and stand. It's actually green. Delete. Delete. So work. Oh shoot. Save as version 3. It's happening. Save. Okay. Download work files. Huh? Okay, it keeps a backup file. Ivan yung okay, so Ivan the tech draw. Docking positions are final. You have an opportunity to talk to work with Romel ducting sheet metal, bending and cutting plans. If you have an opportunity, I okay.